Are you among those who do not like Brussels sprouts and often scrape them to the side of your plate? Stay tuned and learn with me the various benefits of Brussels sprouts, from glowing skin to better gut health, and how to make Brussels sprouts so that you cannot resist these Brussels sprouts. Hey, change makers, are you open to transforming into a healthy and a happy you? I am Rajitha Bamakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to develop healthy habits for life, one step at a time, then click the red subscribe button and the bell icon now. Brussels sprouts. Sprouts look like mini cabbages, but don't let that small size fool you. These are crunchy Brussels sprouts that are packed with lots of nutrients in each bite of this Brussels sprouts. They belong to the cruciferous family. They are the relatives to broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, green collards, and kale. Brussels sprouts have lots of natural sulfur like substance in them. Research shows that this compound may help prevent the damage of your DNA that rises your chances of getting cancer. It may also stop the blood vessels, the new growth of these blood vessels that grow inside a tumor. Brussels sprouts are rich in antioxidants. Eating them may help you protect from cancers of the stomach, breast, bladder, lungs, and prostate. Brussels sprouts also have this colorful pigment in them called carotenoids that are very good for your eye health. These little crunchy veggies are packed with fiber. The fiber which can improve your gut health. In many ways, it prevents the constipation and also lowers your risk of getting colorectal cancer. It also can reduce that unwanted inflammation in your body and may help control your blood sugars. When you include Brussels sprouts in your diet, you can say goodbye to that dull looking skin of yours, because these Brussels sprouts have lots of vitamin C and it contributes to the collagen production, keeping your skin nice and glowing. So, why not spice up your next meal with shredded ginger Brussels sprouts for the most beautiful, youthful skin? Have you ever tried Brussels sprouts? And can you tell me, how do you cook them? Comment below. And continue watching this video until the end to get the recipe for that glowing skin, how you can make Brussels sprouts so that it's delicious. When you prepare them the right way, those Brussels sprouts have this mild, sweet, and almost like nutty flavor in them. But they can be easily overcooked, which can lead to that bitter taste and mushy texture and a strong sulfur-like smell within them. For that reason, Brussels sprouts often get a bad rap. So, if you are not a big fish fan, you may have a challenging time of getting omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Fortunately, Brussels sprouts are rich in alpha linoleic acid, in other words, ALA, which is converted to omega-3 in your body. These nutrients improve your cholesterol levels, lower your blood pressure, and prevent heart disease. For glowing skin, download my free shredded ginger Brussels sprouts recipe. The link will be in the description box below. I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, try these delicious Brussels sprouts that are packed with nutrients.